How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to make this video. I know the Leatherman Free P4 is kind of old. I mean, it's coming from $149 to $154 on Leatherman's website. If you go to Amazon today, they have a Prime deal seal, $104. That's pretty freaking good. If you want to get into the free series, this is the Leatherman Free P4. I love this one. I actually keep this in my truck, my Tacoma, the single cab. Things I like about it, I would get this over the Arc right now, especially for price. I have the Arc right here, but the only thing I miss kind of is the, on the Arc is the, if you have the Arc, is the Magna Cut. That's the only thing that's pretty much superior, I think. As opposed to this, you got the 420 HC sheep's blade, but this pretty much you can do everything this does. I mean, you got nice scissors here, same scissors as that. You got the sheep's foot knife. There's no thumb stud though, like that one. You got the saw, same saw as that one. You can get everything one-handed. I like this a lot better than they removed that on this, the Arc. You got the, serrated blade with a chisel at the end. I think that's really awesome. I like having a secondary blade because I don't keep, just a knife per se on me. So I like having a second blade. I think that's great. But this has like all the things I need, really. You don't have the bit driver, that's one thing. But you got the can opener combo. You have an awl, which I don't like. I talked about that. It's not pointy like this one. You got this ruler that's really small. So the inside tools aren't that great, but they are still useful. I mean, you got this really, really small file too. But for $100, $105, I think it's a damn good deal. Especially when this is coming in at $229.95. That's crazy. But this you have, you don't have the bit driver, so you have the Phillips 2D with a bottle opener. And then this, I really liked the chisel. You don't have that on the Arc. So you have like a chisel and a flat driver if you need it. So that's pretty cool. And then when you flip it open, you have, just regular pliers with the interchangeable wire cutter. So that's cool. Same as this. So you're not really losing too much. I mean, as opposed to getting the Arc. I mean, yes, this looks pretty nice, with the black and everything. But I would get this, the Free P4, for $105. You could get 2 of these for that. It's kind of crazy. But I figured I'd make this video, especially if you never handled a, free body Leatherman. I think this is a great start. $105 versus $229. I would go with the Free P4 if you're just getting started, kind of, and want to get a feel for the, free, Leatherman Free. I think it's a great multi-tool, and you can't go wrong. You can open it like a, a ball style, basically. Very, very fun multi-tool. Quality is great as well. But all right, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. A like's much appreciative. I do like both, but for the price, I would get the Leatherman Free P4 right now on Amazon Prime. Pretty decent discount. I've never seen it that cheap. All right, thanks guys. Take care.